Okay, hello, greetings and welcome everyone. So next topic is on the topic of dana, or charitability. What is charitability? Now when we look at it through Hermetic eyes, we look at the mental body, the astral body, and the physical. In the mental body we have charitability as in sharing spiritual teachings and sharing academic knowledge. In the astral, we look at sharing love and care, taking care of people. And then and that moves into the physical, where we take physical care through financial support and through action that requires a more physical interaction with people. Now this breaks into two ideas. One is charitability of your time, and the other is charitability of your energy, which physically relates to money, astrally relates to emotional support, and then mentally to intellectual and spiritual support. So this aspect of time and energy is what you're charitable with. Of course, if you're running a religious organization, you need a high degree of financial support, you'll translate charitability as money. But it's only a small aspect of it. Obviously monks have to eat, so they do need money to pay the electricity bill for the temple and so forth. But that's only a small portion of it. The charitability is really more about spiritual nourishment and being very, very generous with that. If you're on a spiritual path and supporting people, other people on a spiritual path, whether you're sharing knowledge or financial support, you'll realize that the knowledge is far greater value than the money itself. You know, this concept of teach a person how to fish rather than give them fish. If you teach them how to fish, they can catch their own, and that's knowledge, not money. So when you're looking at how to be charitable, prioritize the sharing of wisdom rather than financial support. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.